Now we will cover the troubleshooting part of IPS. First, we will consider the SMR panel. Input supply is not available. First, we should check that whether supply is in the specified range or not by the help of multimeter. It should be between 150 to 275 volts AC. Check the protection box fuse by the help of LED visible on the front side of it. Also ensure it by testing the fuse with the help of multimeter. Then check the input fuse in SMR panel. Then check the main switch, it should be at on condition. Input supply is not available for one or more SMR. Check whether all the input MCV are in on condition. Also ensure the voltage of SMR by the help of multimeter. Also check the input and output connector. It should not be in burning or deformed condition. Finally, when it is certain that SMR is defected, now we have to replace it by SMR in cold standby. For this, first we have to switch off the input MCV, then unscrew front screw of SMR, remove the input connector and output connector. Now remove the faulty SMR and insert the healthy SMR and make it in the working state by all the formalities. Now come to AC panel. TX module is not giving supply. In that case, check the input connector of TX module whether we are getting supply or not. Check the voltage of TX module by the help of testing jack. Check the indication on the front of TX module which indication is glowing. Also ensure that rotatory switch is at on condition. Check the fuse. Inverter is not providing the supply. Check the inverter MCB should be at on condition. Also check the indication and ensure that switch should be at on condition. Check the input voltage at the input of inverter module. Check the input and output connector. They should be inserted properly. Check input and reset switch should be at on condition. If we found all parameter fine, then we have to replace the inverter module. To replace the inverter module, first we have to trip the input MCV, then we have to remove the input and output connector and unscrew the inverter to replace the faulty with the new one. DC panel troubleshooting. In case we are not getting supply in complete panel, first check the input terminal of DC panel, then check the RFI card fuse and voltage on output terminal. In case individual DC-DC converter is not sharing current or any malfunctioning, check the input connector. Check all the control cable should be connected properly. Then check the voltage of each module of group. If found wrong, then calibrate it equal for each module. Continuous fail signal on ASM panel. Ensure that all the modules should be at on condition. If there is any defective module, remove the control cable of defective module. Poor performance of battery bank. If the battery bank is not providing proper performance, then check the specific gravity and per cell voltage of each cell and replace the defective cell immediately. Also ensure that all the ICC inter-cell connector should be connected properly without any looseness.